Welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to work in my home office. Guys, you know it's back to school time, so I'm going back to college to further my education. It's a perfect timing for me to work in my home office. You know, guys, I'm living in a small apartment and I always make everything work, so I'm going to show you how to maximize a small space and, guys, make it so luxurious. It's unbelievable. Guys, don't take my word for it. Just keep watching. And it's not a big office like I did the first time, but guys, you will love it because it's a mini office that I did inside my bedroom. I'm going to do a bedroom refresh while I'm doing my little side office at the same time. Someone like me that don't have a lot of time and you still want to be comfortable studying or doing some office work at home, this video is definitely for you. Because, guys, I work a lot. I work 12 hours, sometimes 16-hour shift. I don't really have time to go to the library after that, and then most of the time the library closes at the time I finish work. So coming home, able to find a place that I can relax at the same time and study, it's a game changer. Okay, guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay, guys, I'm heading outside. A package was delivered to me. I'm so excited. You know, guys, I love doing my unboxing. And guys, this is a video collab. This company sent over to me this chair. I'm so in love, guys. Oh my goodness, as you can see, the chair, it's nice the way they pack it. It's super easy because the box look big, but I love it this way because you don't have to put too many pieces together. It's super good the way they do it. And guys, as you can see, the leather, OMG, everything is extremely beautiful. The material, it's marvelous, OMG. So I really love the chair, every single thing about the chair. Another thing again about the chair is electric, but you don't have to keep it plugged. You just have to charge it and you're good to go. And guys, in this other box, you can see the wheel and the other part that you need to just finish up the chair. Okay, guys, let's go finish up, decorate the room, and keep on watching.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason.
Okay, guys, welcome. This is a finished look, guys. Let me know, what do you think? If you like it, just give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. As you can see, guys, this is my Elijah chair that I really love so much. As you can see, guys, the material, and I have peace when I'm in my room. As you can see, I was editing my videos just to bring you some good content, and it's so perfect for me. This chair, guys, is ergonomic design, provides individual support for the waist, shoulder, and head, allow the effective muscle relaxation. The backrest adopt an S-shape designed to fit the curve of the human body. Is that wonderful? And guys, as you can see, it feels with high elastic memory foam. The seat and the backrest are softer, making sitting more comfortable. And the faster design that load with load-bearing base has the function of dissipating pressure. And guys, the chair can be adjusted to 90 to 150 backward and lock at any angle. Oh my goodness. Simply laying down to relieve your fatigue. That's so unbelievable. I love the chair. And guys, it's mute anti-pulley that won't scratch the floor at all. Guys, Is that something wonderful? I love the chair so much. Please guys, don't forget to check the description box down below. I got some great discount for you. This is the recline button, guys, that you can use it. As you can see, the way my son is doing it right now, like I said before, you can adjust it backward 90 to 150 degree. And the best thing about it, guys, it would lock at any angle. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do product review, I do my hair, I do my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me. Guys, if you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching. From the moment I lay my eyes on the chair, I fell in love with the chair, guys. As you can see, you don't have to keep plugging it in. It's wireless. You just charge it and you're good to go. My size, even you like smaller size, it will fit you perfect. And guys, everything about the chair is beautiful. As you can see my room, guys, I didn't change too much. I just do refresh. And guys, the material, let's go back to the chair again, guys. I love this chair so much. Have the wind back and the way it is, and I really love every single thing about the chair. Every single thing. And my room is very beautiful. As you can see, guys, I love white, and if you don't like the white one, they have so many variety of style and colors to choose from, but this one, it was by far my favorite. That's why I chose this one. So if you don't like this one, you can always choose other style and other colors. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci, guys. S'il vous plaît, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Dans cette vidéo, vous allez voir comment je décore mon petit appart vraiment luxe. Si vous aimez, n'oubliez pas de me laisser un petit commentaire, partager. Et à tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support. Je vous aime. When there's no one to blame, I'm not letting it fade. So don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me. This tour blanket is so nice, so soft to touch. I got it from Burlington. And guys, everything that I use in this video, I'm going to do my best to leave them in the description box down below. If there's anything you like or if you want to recreate the look, so feel free to check the box down below. and I have some great discount for you two guys. You know, I always look the best of the best and to bring it to you guys. And the thing I like about my desk, it can go up and down, like my bed too. My bed can go up and down, my desk can go up and down. So because you know, I just have a back surgery and this helped a lot, guys. Make sure to check it. And this one, my son made it for me. I love to keep my table, like my desk, clean, but because my son made it for me, so I get to use it. As you can see, my son, guys, he loves this chair more than I do. He can gently lean back to find the most comfortable position. And the mute and tie pulley is adapted that won't easily scratch the floor. If you have a hardwood floor, it's the best option for you.
Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when
Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur channel moi. Sur la première fois, moi souhaite bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager vidéo avec famille aux amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aime moi décorer appartement vraiment luxe. Car si nous touchons nous pas besoin d'un gros château pour nous faire car nous look tant que 5 étoiles. So, si vous pas la première fois tout, moi tout merci en pile pour support. Parce que guys, dans la vidéo ça, ou pour côté moi à faire une promotion pour une chaise que vous voyez bon moi chaise vraiment bon et puis il est vraiment sophistiqué. So si vous me fait carreau sophistiqué même ensemble avec moi, make sure pour checker boîte description en bas vidéo. OK, moi remercie nous un peu guys, s'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo.
every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd
Normally I use wire covers to cover my wires, but this time I ordered some on Amazon. It hasn't come yet, so I just leave it like that for now. But as soon as I receive it, I'm going to cover my wires. As you can see, whenever I put the desk up, you can see the wires, but when I put it down, the wire, I just hide it behind the window curtain. And guys, as you can see, my son, as I told you, is so in love with the chair, so that's where you find him. Whenever after school, he always come here and then just relax in my bedroom. The chair is filled with high elasticity memory foam. The seat and backrest are softer, making sitting more comfortable. And the backrest adopt an S shape designed to fit the curve of the human body. That's why we love it so much. So comfortable. That's it for today. That's the end of the video, and thank you so much guys for taking your time watching it today. I hope you guys enjoy it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.